This is a 15到25 tons polishing color selection rice mill unit. This video will show you. This is the entire process of rice milling. 1. The material in the pit is lifted into the stoning machine. 2. The specific gravity stone remover removes stones from rice and discharges them through the small holes below. 3. Remove the husk of rice to obtain brown rice. 4. The trough separation screen sends the hard rice back to the huller, and the hard brown rice enters the rice mill for whitening. 5. Brown rice is ground white and the bran powder is discharged through a dust-free bran remover. 6. The broken rice separation sieve separates the broken rice grains. 7. To rice milling. The whitened rice is sent back to the second rice mill for grinding, and its color will improve. 8. Rice that has been evenly sprayed with water mist will have a brighter color after polishing. 9. The color sorter can remove moldy and poorly colored rice. 10. The rice here can be classified and sold in different categories. 11. Pack. Its job is to weigh the ground rice.